Hi YouTubers, Jessica back to do our first DIY. It is a 8x10 canvas with the Ouija board on it. As you know, this is a divination tool and I think it looks great on the wall. However, I do realize that I made my background too dark. I love black, so I automatically painted it black, and that just doesn't work out as well as I want it to. I mean, you can still see it. My lighting in here is not great. It's coming from the back, so it's a little bit harder to see. Although, I would not recommend, if you do this DIY, painting the background black. So, I'm just going to get right into this. Now, I was at Five Below, and I don't know if all of you know what Five Below is, but it's like a Dollar Tree where everything is $5 or less, and they have some great items in there. And I found these. Oh, these are temporary tattoos. They were $3, and when I seen them, I just knew I could do something with it. So, I made this. I do know that I need to redo it, and I'm going to do that today with you folks. So, this was $3. A 2-pack of canvas at Walmart is $4. For the 8x10 size, it might be $3. I honestly can't remember. I have tons of canvases because I paint regularly a lot of different things. And so for me, when I seen that, I just kind of already knew this is what I was going to do. And I do think that the gray, that black is going to stand out so much better. Now, when you do yours, please paint that canvas whatever color you want, because this is for yourself, or if you wanted to make a gift for one of your friends, this would make a good gift as well. You paint it the color that you think they would like best. I am going to do another finish on this. I am doing this sterling silver metallic color. This is from Walmart as well. It is $1.97. If you buy this size bottle of a regular gray, it is 50 cents. So, I mean, and then you will have it for other projects as well. The paint is cheap, and Walmart sells them. At every Walmart I've ever been to, they sell craft paint. And this is just in the aisle. You pick whatever colors you want to. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video because I have not painted the metallic on here yet. But I'm going to, and then I will show you what that looks like. But I wanted to show you it with just the, the matte finish, which I think, putting this up here, that this is going to look good on here. But I really just like, the chrome and that type of thing. I do like those colors, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I did do a canvas with just the metallic paint, and that did not work out the way I wanted it to. So I would not recommend just painting the metallic, which is why I did a base layer first. I don't know if you can see this as well through the camera, but there are like a lot of lines. The coverage is not very good, even on the sides. I mean, I just do not like the way this looks. So again, I would not recommend that you do it this way. Definitely, if you want the metallic finish, which is very pretty in my opinion, then you should do a base layer first. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and pause you, get that layer on there, and then come right back and show you that as soon as it's dry. And then I will show you how to apply these. Oh, and before I go, let me just say, I found all of these different ones here at the Dollar Tree. These are all temporary tattoos. When I initially bought these sheets, I bought them for my candle holders so that I could decorate them the way I wanted to, instead of them just being plain, because a lot of them did come from the Dollar Tree. There's nothing wrong with them being plain, but for me, I wanted something just a little bit more. Now, with that said, if you found something that was in gold, most of mine are silver, or this is a gold and a blue, and you wanted to add more to your canvas, or get a larger canvas and do a border or whatever, make this project yours. And also, if you do this project, please upload a picture. I would love to see what you come up with based off of what I've started. that is the thing about doing a DIY when you follow somebody online. You can make it your own. It's yours. You're going to hang it on your wall. You might give it away as a gift or whatever you're going to do with it. At the end of the day, it needs to be yours. I think that's really important. If you remember my introduction video, I talked a lot about helping you tap into your creativeness and making things your own, and that is what I'm talking about today. Anyway, let me stop rambling right now and get to this silver lining or this silver cover, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it painted. It is drying. So what I'm going to go ahead now and do is I'm going to cut each one of these out. Just like you would do if you were going to do a temporary tattoo on yourself. Obviously, you wouldn't put the whole sheet on there. And you want the layout to, I mean, actually you can do the layout however you want to, but this is how I choose to do mine. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all cut out and get it set up. Also, you're going to want to get yourself a, excuse me, a wash rag and a bowl of water, because these go on very similar to how they do on your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and get all that cut out, and I'll be right back. Alright, here is the metallic paint. It's not quite 100% dry, but it's pretty close. I am digging this a lot. I don't know. You probably can't see it as well as I can, but I just really, really like this. So I'm going to let it finish drying, and when it's all done, I have all my temporary tattoos ready to go, and then as soon as it's dry, we'll get to it. Alright guys, it seems to be all the way dry. I really like this metallic silver. If you do not like the metallic color, that is okay. Use whatever color you want to. So I'm going to get right on to how we do this. The first thing you're going to want to do is lay out your design, how you want it to appear on the canvas. The next thing you need to do is, and I start with the top pieces. Of course, you can start wherever you want, but I just find it easier to start with my top pieces. And I'll be putting my sun, which I had to pull the plastic off because it is covered by a plastic. Make sure you pull that off. The first time I did a temporary tattoo, I did not do that and made a mess. Well, on the plastic anyway. So then I'm gonna try and eyeball where I want this to be. And I cut out as much as I could around the sun. I feel like I could trim it just a little bit more right here. Actually, I was at a conference in Phoenix when my mom called. So I'm going to stick it right there in the corner. Oh, I guess you can't see it. It might be helpful if I put it in camera's view. Okay, so I put it upside down in the corner. Now, I'm going to, I have a little bowl of water right here and a wash rag. I'm going to dip it into there like that. And I'm going to do the same thing I would on a skin. And I'm going to get the back of this tattoo wet. Just like this. You're just going to press, gently press. I'm not filming this very well. I'm so sorry. This is my first time filming a DIY, so excuse my mess ups here. So I'm just gonna keep doing that, dabbing it on, and you can see it. You can see it through the paper now. I'm gonna do just to make sure. I'm gonna dip just the corner, you know, in the water, and dab it on there some more, just to be sure that it transfers. So then I'm just going to wait a second, keep dabbing it until I make sure it's on there good and proper. Then I'm going to gently peel up a corner here. You'll be able to see as you're pulling up the corner, it came right off onto the canvas. There it is. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pause and put the rest of these on here, and I will show you the finished product of what it looks like when it's all completed. Thank you. Give me my journal back. Here is 3 of them put on at this point. So I just wanted to stop so I could show you what it's looking like as opposed to on this canvas. Now the gold stands out a lot more on the black, but the black is definitely standing out more on the silver. either way, I really do like the gold and silver together. I know it's a little bit hard for the camera to see, but it is looking really good at this point for me. So I'm going to go ahead and finish putting them on, and I'll be right back. Here I've went just a little bit further. I'm probably just going to keep stopping it and showing you what I have so far so you can have a look. I mean, I really like this. So here we go. Okay, here's the next line. So I'm getting further along here. Be back in a minute. Alright guys, here it is completed with that whole set. But I keep thinking I might want to add something right here and something right here. I just haven't decided which I might do later on. But for now, this is the end of our DIY. I hope that you enjoy my video. Please like and subscribe. Even share if you want to in any pagan group so other people can find me. This is just the beginning. I have already other things. I might do one more video this week. But for the most part, I'm just going to try to do one DIY a week. So keep your eye out for that. If you have any suggestions or any DIYs you want to see, please, by all means, leave me a comment, inbox me, and let me know what you're looking for. And I'll do my best to come up with a inexpensive, easy DIY that almost anybody could do. And that way then you can have your pagan home decor that otherwise would be expensive or hard to find. Again, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you. Have a good day.